the same global tensions that were pushing up commodity prices today caused big declines in U.S. stocks. Deborah Kostroun has the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. And, you know, the market closing right near the lows in stocks today, and the path of least resistance certainly down, something we haven't seen in a long time, because you have to remember that the market has been on a virtual tear since the lows in March of 2009. So the big question, what are people talking about? Well, here is the scoop. The thing that people are talking about, what could cause this market to fall even further? We have geopolitical unrest maybe spreading to Iran and Saudi Arabia, then the concern about higher oil prices and the setback in the economy that could be caused by these higher oil prices, because, of course, we know the earnings have been really good, and the economic reports have also been really good, showing some great numbers, even like today's manufacturing report, which showed the fastest growth since 2004. But the situation in Libya certainly stealing the headlines, so we do have some good things going on the economic front, but, of course, this big concern is oil, because once again, oil surging to the highest level in 29 months, and oil traders say that right now the oil market very nervous, and as you can imagine, that oil market having an impact all across the board, as we saw today, but especially in the airlines. And those airlines like United put in a $10 one-way fuel surcharge. That was last week, but today other foreign airlines also imposing that one-way fuel surcharge. Pimm.
Now, Deborah, it wasn't just oil, right? I mean, we saw other commodities such as gold seeing a run-up. Gold, a record.
A record $1,435 an ounce. And, of course, gold is seen as the safe haven with all this geopolitical unrest and as the protests seem to be spreading, but also silver near its highest level since 1980. So something to keep track of there. And cotton hitting its daily limit for a third straight session. And, in fact, if you invested in commodities, you're actually probably pretty happy, because over the past 3 months, commodities like oil, gold, even cotton and corn, they have outperformed not only stocks but bonds and the dollar for a third straight month, and that is the longest stretch since June of 2008. Two things at play, of course, the geopolitical concerns and also the rising interest rates in places like China and Russia are making commodities a really good play right now. Pimm, back to you.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.